Hello guys, welcome to my channel all about products. We're here with more awesome products from AliExpress and Amazon. Links are in the description, so don't miss them. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more update. Let's get started. Introducing the ultimate super nonstick deep frying pan. Cook with less oil for a healthier meal, and watch food slide right off effortlessly. Built with heavy-duty cast aluminum, it heats up fast and evenly on all stovetops, including induction. The heat-resistant handle stays cool, and the tempered glass lid keeps your cooking mess-free. Plus, it's super easy to clean. Just wipe and rinse. One pan, endless possibilities. Introducing the 4-hole omelet pan. Perfect for making multiple omelets or pancakes at once, saving you time in the kitchen. Made from food-grade materials, it's free from harmful chemicals for a healthier cooking experience. The non-stick coating ensures easy flipping and hassle-free cleaning. Comes with a lid, silicone brush, and spatula for a complete cooking set. Introducing the Bear Yogurt Maker. A 4-in-1 machine that lets you make yogurt, Greek yogurt, cheese, and fruit wine effortlessly. With a smart microcomputer timer and adjustable settings, you get perfect results every time. The 100 mesh strainer helps create thick Greek yogurt, while BPA-free glass jars ensure safe and healthy cooking. Easy to use and clean for a hassle-free experience. Introducing the Tilt Head Kitchen Stand Mixer, the perfect blend of power and versatility. Featuring a stainless steel bowl with a handle, 10 optimized speeds, and multiple bowl options, it can handle up to 9 dozen cookies in a single batch. More than just a baking tool, this mixer is compatible with over 10 attachments for making pasta, grinding meat, and more. Elevate your kitchen experience with effortless mixing and endless possibilities. Introducing the Electric Cup Food Mixer, your go-to kitchen helper. Equipped with 2 8-cup bowls, stainless steel blades, and 2-speed control, it effortlessly grinds beef and more. The BPA-free lid ensures safe and healthy food prep, perfect for quick and easy meal prep. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Drop your favorite in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.